at this one here. You have to show that you have got this expression here. Now, first of all, you look at the highest derivative they ask you to show. This one is second derivative, right? Means this one needs to differentiate twice. Okay. The higher derivative is 2, right? Means you need to differentiate twice. That is the first rule of thumb, because you should know when you should stop. Twice and you should get your answer. Okay. So from here, what you're going to do is this, pretty simple. Remember, you must always rearrange first before try and do your expression, right? So this one here, because everything is in terms of cos and sine, you just move your sign over lah, just like that. Okay, then you start differentiating lah. So differentiating. With respect to x. This one, sine y will give you cosine y, dy dx. The one on the right will give you 1. Okay? Okay. Then you differentiate with respect to x again. This one here will be product rule already. Keep the one on the right, cosine y, differentiate on the right, d square dx square. Keep the one, differentiate the one, keep the one the other one, which is on the right. Then cosine will be what? Negative sine y dy dx. 0. Just take note, okay? All right. So once you've done that already, basically what you're going to do is actually just rearrange. Should get the answer already. Okay, that's how you do it.